Fuck, it's dark.
We got the Southside 1320 video here.
Alright, boys. It's been a while. It's been a while. I'm coming over here for the light. But we have something cool set up for today. Finally. I wish I had something cool to bring, but no, I don't have that. Since my truck is down, but we'll bring hopefully the next video we'll make about this. It's about my stuff. We've been having like delays, so maybe that's why I haven't been recording. But anyways, we're here with the single cab, the 6.0, and then we're here with this EXT 4.8, and then we got a Turbo Yukon don't want it.
Turbo Yukon, he's scared. He dodging the single cab.
He be really weak. I don't know why he's be so weak. I don't know why he's be so scary. Maybe this is why. Maybe that's why. I'm not sure. But he is being weak. But yeah, we're gonna see how this goes versus that. Oh, Drew got his drive shaft down, weight reduction. Alright, where do we put the GoPro? Like facing back?
I don't think it's gonna be that bad.
Oh.
What I wanted was like Jesse or Ricky or Orlando, somebody to come.
Yeah.
You can flag us.
Yeah.
And I have somebody on the top end.
Too much air, just to get him.
I don't know. Alright, so we're gonna get this set up and we're probably gonna head out here soon. Maybe another friend will pull up. If not,
I don't think anybody else put it up.
if he probably hit a Ricky, he probably will come. Alright, Ricky, so you're watching this? Better come. You nervous?
We'll see what happens.
I think we'll be alright. If you win, then great. If you lose, then want to get faster, right? Are you nervous? At all? Alright, this will be a quick one real quick. Look at that. God damn. Alright, we got a car coming. Alright, well, you see where. Alright, so both got a nice burnout in. Let's see if it's sticky at all or anything. Okay, his is sticky. Oh, they both sticky. Alright, my fault. I should have backed them up onto here. Damn. Look, check this out. End's like way over there. And we do got that Challenger coming back. See what that's about. Alright, let's walk this real quick. God damn. So it spins fast for Joe. God damn. keep it right there. Back up, back up. Back up, wait. Yeah, I'm gonna put you in the... Right there. Pretty good. I caught that! I caught that! I caught that! It's good. Keep going forward. Forward. More. I do like right there. Fuck it. You good? You're in drive? You're in drive? So that was Hector by like a truck. That'll set up, but drone hooked up, launched good. They launched together, and it was a good race. I messed up really bad by not recording it. I messed up really bad, but hopefully we'll get some rolls now. But that was a good race. I'll let them tell y'all how good it went.
It'll start smoking spinning as soon as it goes in the boost.
Dang, you got yourself good.
Alright.
Why you out here getting turbocharged?
Huh?
Why you out here getting turbocharged?
No. Said he wasn't the boost. You gotta redo it.
Launching? I guess that's why I hooked up. Hey, but it took off good though, dude.
At first I was just trying.
Yeah, that first run you just spawned, bro. You literally spawned so much.
It's like
I don't even.
I was like this. I was like,
I don't even see how you stayed on it, dude. Hector stopped burning out like way over there, and you kept going. Yeah.
Yeah, because I was like,
you're like,
once I hooked, I was like, what the fuck happened to bands over there?
Everything good still?
yeah, just let the transfer.
Good runs. How much beat you by? How close was it?
That second one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh?
How bad did you beat me on that?
You don't know. It was going forward.
Well, because I don't know if I saw you on my
yeah.
mirror or if I saw you like on my vision. You know what I mean? Because there was a car coming, so I was trying to like move the fuck over, bro, like or slow the fuck down.
Sure was like, nah.
Yeah, he just kept going. I was like, yo, either you slow down or...
Yeah, I saw it coming.
You let off. He said he's not letting off, so you let off. I want to say like it's from my looks. I didn't record it on the GoPro. I didn't get it. I accidentally shut the GoPro off. But from my point of view, like it's probably like a truck, cause you can see like it was like lit up like this, so I can see his truck a lot. So this is probably how I see it from down there. I don't know.
Huh?
Oh no, you didn't.
I recorded that second race. I didn't record that. I didn't record that second race. I accidentally shut it off, and that second race wasn't supposed to happen. I jumped off and I was like, let's try it real quick.
Yeah, that second spot actually worked a lot better.
Yeah, with the rubber already laid down, and it actually took off when I was burnout, and the tires already being sticky too.
I looked over, and I'd already seen you when you were slowing down.
You what?
I'd already seen you when you were slowing down.
Slowing down?
Yeah. All right, boys. So it's all on me that I didn't get a good shot of this, but hopefully we'll get a row in. Let his truck go down. Let these boats go down right now. On the way home, we'll get a little quick run in. 135. They didn't want to downshift right.
Well, no, like what it is, it goes to, it's on second.
Yeah.
So whenever I float it like that, it downshifts to first,
Yeah.
and then it goes. It's not adjusted to where it goes in second. You know what I mean? At first.
So he feels better.
Yeah, I need to figure out how to get it to first. Or get your laptop and command it. Command it.
That's a fucking good race, dog. Alright, so dig winner, row winner.
Yeah, this shit's a big trip.
It's a good race, dog.
Call me the baker because we're making rolls. We're doing rolls.
You know what I'm saying? They call me Shovel Man.
They call me a shovel because I like to dig.
Yeah, this bitch on days is a fucking beast. I love it.
It's just like, I think it's like so light, it just gets in and goes. And that's where the truck struggles a little bit.
This thing's gonna be wild on the next step.
Yeah, next step. You tell me what's going on?
LSA.
Nah.
Pro Charger. Ooh. LSA Pro Charger.
Can you let me record with the next step?
It's a VS Racing LSA Pro Charger.
You want one of those?
Yes.
Go.
Alright, bro. How'd it go for you?
The runs were fun.
Is this exactly what you expected or not?
Kinda, yeah.
You, Hector?
Yeah, pretty much.
You want me to? You want me to?
He was like, nah, I'm gonna fucking, I want to do that.
No, the roll.
Yeah.
I knew the roll was gonna be fucking close, or I was gonna get whooped on the roll. On the dig, I was like, that's mine.
All day.
Yeah, the dig is mine. Or at least in my head, I'd like to think the dig is mine.
Anyways, my thoughts of it was exactly how it went, honestly. That truck just works. The other day we were on a cold asphalt. We went to go get tacos and it hooked up on a cold. It was like 45 degrees.
Gravel.
Yeah, it will hook on a gravel road, dog. So yeah, it hooked up good. And this truck, this is like the first time ever with drag radials. But anyways, truck ran good. Truck ran great. The OBS did great. They both did great. It just, that one's quicker from a dig. Just gets them and goes. This one, y'all see that first row, he built boost. He started, he built boost, and when he launched, he just spun the whole way. And the second row, which I didn't get that on the other GoPro, but he didn't build boost at the takeoff, so he launched it without boost and then it kicked in. So that's why that could have been it right there. But good race, overall good race. And this is where we're gonna end it right here. So yeah, appreciate you watching and made it this far. Thank you, appreciate it. Peace.